Welcome back to Tech Rums. Today we're going to show you how to pair the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite to an iPhone device. So as you can see here, when you've charged and turned on your watch, it has a QR code. So we have to go basically to our camera app on the iPhone of choice, and we have to look at that QR code until we see the little pop-up of open in Chrome. Wait, let's do it again. See if it can find it. Open in Chrome. Once we open it in Chrome, it takes us to the website to download. This website takes us to the App Store. I already have downloaded it, so it has a little cloud to download again. We download the app again. And this is the first time you're connecting this watch to the iPhone. You'll have no problem, but if you've connected it previously and you've had some problems, then you will have to do some other steps. So, agree, region, agree. And now we have the app here, and we have user experience and so on. So we here have this, and we can connect. So we have a problem here that it says that it needs to connect, but then it says unpair. So first of all, I'm going to unpair it because it seems that something happened, and the watch might be still saved in the settings because I had it previously connected. So for that, we would go to Bluetooth, open Bluetooth settings, make sure that we have the watch forgotten, so forget this device because it has it in the history. And now we can go back to the app, and here we can say add device. We choose, in this case, the Mi Watch Lite. Click there. It's finding it, sees it here. We click there, and now agree. It goes through the checkpoints, and there's a moment he's going to ask on your watch, so pair, and here we agree. And here we say allow to display notifications, allow, and done. So now it's paired. As you can see, we can set the watch faces if we want to change to different ones. Widgets, next, okay. And now we have it. As you can see now, if we click, we have the time, which is 5:17, and we have our devices. So we can even change the watch faces if we want and apply, and now, boom, the watch face has changed. So that is how you connect the Mi Watch Lite from Xiaomi to an iPhone. Do remember, you do need the app to control it basically, but it's very, very simple. And if you have some issues, remember, if you've paired it before, just go to Bluetooth settings, erase that watch, forget it, and then start over. That's how I got to get this one working. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.